Hi, sea lovers, welcome back to Training Scope ZA. We are back with yet another update. Well, if you're new on this channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out for more. Well, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Please do tell a friend to also join our T Squad here at Training Scope ZA. Well, on today's topic, Lasizwe has publicly declared that his sister is crazy in love with her soon-to-be husband, millionaire Kudzai Mushonga. There's a little bit of uncertainty as to whether or not the couple is engaged. However, Lasizwe has stated that Khanyi Mbau is madly in love and sees a future with Kudzai. Khanyi is indeed a smitten as she has inked her base name on her thigh. That gets her left Kudzai astonished. When a fan asked her, the YouTuber Lasizwe, whether she is going to marry the millionaire, he simply said he has never seen her sister this happy and content in her life, and he went on to say that he described their relationship as being true love and that it left him inspired to keep searching for it as it is not the end. Well, as we know that Khanyi Mbau just came out of a 10-year relationship with the musician Tebogo Lerole, who can't seem to catch a break from people who are involved in Khanyi Mbau's relationship. He went on to say that love is indeed a beautiful thing, but there was not enough for us to last, but wish her well. He went on to write a small message that we definitely know that it was meant for Khanyi Mbau. He went on to say she is an amazing human and has such an adorable smile. She must constantly glitter. I am grown enough to accept defeat. I would like to wish her nothing but success in her journey. And lastly, please cut her and myself some slack. Love is beautiful and we tried. Well, without revealing too much, Kudzai said he is definitely going to marry Khanyi Mbau and hinted at an undergoing lobola negotiations. Went on to say a big yes, paying lobola just now. He replied to a curious follower. Well, he also revealed that he has set aside an amount of 1 million rand for Khanyi Mbau's lobola. The man is set on Khanyi Mbau's marrying Khanyi Mbau and even calls her wifey. He went on to share a few snaps of himself in Soweto where Khanyi Mbau grew up. Love is indeed a beautiful thing, and Lasizwe is left inspired. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Do you think Kudzai went to Soweto to pay a lobola, or he went on to ask for a hand in marriage? Please do comment and also stay connected for more XOXO.